Hi and welcome to Mass Traffic Attack video 10. In this video we're going to delve into what to write when you know nothing at all about the subject. Now when you know something about a subject, writing an article about it is so much easier because everything will flow nicely. The question is, how can you promote a product or service if you know nothing or very little about it? Now if you remember, in one of the earlier videos I actually talked about the 5-paragraph plan. Now you could use that. Now take a look in the ebook for my example that I wrote with an article about Plendil. Now if you also remember, I said to you to aim for 4 sentences per paragraph. Now if you have read the example about the Plendil, you will see that some paragraphs have 3 sentences, others have 5. The 4 sentences per paragraph really is not a hard and fast rule. It really is more of a guideline to help you along. Obviously there's going to be instances where you can't find the words to write another sentence on that particular point. Other times as well, you just know another sentence will affect the flow of your article. It really is a case of just using your judgment. If you also noticed, I used titles for each paragraph as well. You may want to try this, but remember I don't do that all the time, but in some cases it does make your article a little more friendly to the reader and a little more accessible. The formula that I used with that article I have found really does work pretty well if you're struggling to write something. By doing a quick search on the subject you're writing about, you can find 3 points to make and expand on, and it shouldn't take you more than 20 to 30 minutes to write a quality 4 or 500 word article. Now another style that I've found works really well is 12 reasons why you must do. Now if you do decide to do this, then write just a couple of introductory paragraphs, add your 12 reasons in bullet point format, and write a couple of summary paragraphs. Spend some time looking at the articles on eZine Articles and you'll soon see what I mean by that. Now take a quick look at the resource box I used on the Plendil article. It was far better than click here for more information, don't you think? I'll give you the text code so that you can put your own anchor text in the resource box, so you can just copy and paste this after you save the text. Now obviously you've got the pointed bracket, A space ref equals, then in quotes, http www.whatever your website name is.com, and the pointy bracket. Your anchor text goes here, so if it's make money online, bracket / a pointy bracket. Now obviously you're going to need to change the URL to your website address, but don't delete the quotation marks. Also write your own anchor text, please, and remember this doesn't need quotation marks. So there, in the ebook you've seen pretty much a real example of an article I wrote without any knowledge at all about the subject before I started. I highly recommend that you spend some time browsing the articles on ezinearticles.com just to get a feel for the subject that you want to write about. Get a few points to write about it and away you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.